Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are reviewing the Duo Gentle Lash Glue Remover for all lash adhesives. I saw this, I think, in Ulta, and I was like, ooh, let me pick that up because lately I've been having such a tough time getting the glue off of my lashes. Not so much the actual lashes themselves, but the glue. So I picked this up. This makeup is spent. It is 9 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock on a Saturday that I'm filming this. We went to a trunk or treat, we made some cupcakes, we did some cleaning at home. Like, it's been a very busy day. I put this makeup on around 11:30 in the morning, and it is now 9 p.m. so my eyes are creasing, my lashes are heavy, my complexion still looks pretty decent. I have not touched anything up at all. So we're going to try this today. I got mine from Ulta and it is $8.99. You get 2.5 ounces or 7 grams. It says nourish and protect natural lashes during removal, moisturizing balm with antioxidants, chamomile soothes and calms, safflower seed oil hydrates, coconut oil firms. On the back, it doesn't really have any like instructions, but on Ulta's website it says how to use to remove. Brush remover on lashes, wait 10 to 15 seconds and slide off lashes with fingers. Be careful not to get remover in eyes. So that was the outside packaging. The inside packaging comes with instructions in all kinds of different languages. Massage into natural lashes with fingertips. To dissolve lash glue, gently wipe away residue. Rinse warm water if needed. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to take it on my finger. It's kind of like a jelly-like consistency. And I'm getting it all over my lashes. That's not great. Alright, we're just gonna let it sit there for just a second. While I'm letting that one sit, I think I'm going to peel this one off and then rub it along my lash line to see if I can take like the glue residual off. Okay, so it did take my lash off, as you just saw, really well, but like now this lash needs cleaned. Whereas usually I would just like peel my lashes off and reuse them. This lash needs cleaned or now thrown away. So that's a little frustrating. I am just gonna wipe it off with a cotton round. I still have like lash glue on my lashes, but it did help to take the like actual lash off easier. So now we're going to do it on the other side, this side where I've already taken my lashes off, because that's what usually would happen, is that I would take my lashes off, I would probably wash my face, and then I would use like a lash glue remover on it. So let's see if I just... It smells really good. So we're just gonna let it sit there for just a second. And by a second, I mean 10 to 15 seconds. What's the ingredients in this? Oh, butyrylacetone, hydroxycellulose, glycerin. I don't know how to pronounce those first two. I'll put them up on the screen so that you can, you know, try with your glory. I'm gonna take another dry cotton round and just wipe this away. If anything, it's helping to get a lot of my mascara off. Okay, I feel like that kind of helped getting it like off of my actual lash line. So I think what I'm gonna go do now is actually like wash my whole face and to see if the glue on my lashes or my lash line comes off any easier than it normally would, but it did help to actually take the lashes off and to get like that lash line residue off. I see why they say don't get it in your eyes, because now I do have a little like blurriness. You know, like when you wash your face with like a cleansing balm and it gets in your eyes and like now your like eyes are all blurry? That's what's happening. So anyways, I'm gonna go wash my face and then come back for some final thoughts. Face washed, makeup off, most of my lash glue is off. For this Duo Gentle Lash Glue Remover, what I would say is remove your lashes first, wash your face, and then if you have any lash glue left over, gently rub it on your lash line with a Q-tip, your fingertip, a cotton round or whatever to really like dissolve the glue until it starts to come off. I found that when you actually rubbed it on the lash, you then have to like clean the lash and all that jazz, and honestly that's a pain. Unless your lashes are like not peeling off, which has happened to me sometimes with like using regular lash glue. You either use too much or the lash glue is just so adhesive that they like just won't come off gently. Then obviously this would be good to kind of like massage them off and you can clean your lashes and all that jazz. If your lashes peel off very easily, then I would say wait for this to be kind of like the final step where you have all of your eye makeup off and you have all of everything off, because as you can see, like I do still have some lash glue there, and I wonder if using this would get that off. See, like it's working. It just takes a little bit of effort. I'm gonna use some water. Yeah, like I still have a little bit of lash glue in my lashes, so it's not the end all to be all, but it is definitely a little bit better than some of the other removers that I've tried out on the market. So yeah, like it's definitely getting, I don't know. Yeah, like you can see there's like little residuals of like the little remaining lash glue on there. So again, I don't think it's like the end all to be all in terms of like removing every little bit of lash glue, but do I think that it's going to do a very good job of like getting the majority of it off? Yes. For what, how much did I say that this was? $8.99 I think. Yeah, for $8.99, I don't necessarily think it's a bad investment. I don't know if like, I don't know if it deserves the 4.8 rating that it has on Ulta. The eye makeup remover that I loved the best was from Albolene, and they don't make it anymore, and I'm so upset. And that's what I like go back to everything. Like I test everything against in my knowledge, and this is like, this is pretty comparable to it. It's a little less thick. I just wish it was like a little bit more emollient is what I'm gonna say, but like I wish it broke down the like glue a little bit better. I wish it was like a little bit more like Vaseline-y, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that's my thoughts. $8.99, you can get it at Ulta. I'm gonna put it down in the description box below. Again, I think it's good to have on hand, especially if you have like a really difficult time removing your lashes, or you're not used to it, or you have sensitive eyes or things like that. This can be like a really good tool to have in your stash, in your makeup kit, to help you. But at the same time, the same thing can be like coconut oil. You can use it with coconut oil, or like micellar water and a Q-tip, you know? So I don't know. Again, I see the value of it, but I think like there's just so many other options out there that like can do similar things with like a lot less effort and a lot less like gunkiness of my lashes, especially. I'm not completely sold that it's a must-have, but I'm not sold that it's useful of its use. Does that make sense? Anyways, I'll link it down in the description box below. I hope this was helpful. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to hit the little notification bell and subscribe. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.